Hi, Ravi Kumar.
Yes, hello, sir.
So, what is your first automation demo today?
Yes, sir. This is my first automation demo with Python, sir.
So, you're doing ADF extraction process in Python, running the
Yes,
script
sir.
and showing
Sure,
the
sir. Yes,
process,
sir.
data
Yes,
extraction into ADF. Okay, good.
yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So my name is Ravi Kangne. I'm from non-IT background, belonging from Pune. This is my LinkedIn ID. This demo is done through a job coaching. My job coach is Shanti Kumar V. Here is my coach LinkedIn ID, and this is my coach website. So now today I perform this CSV data transfer from blob storage to Azure SQL database using Azure Data Factory with Python. So my first slide is about the user requirement. User requirement to uploading CSV data to Azure Blob Storage and transferring it to an Azure SQL database using Azure Data Factory. The solution must be ensure seamless integration, scheduled and automated data transfer, efficient handling of large volume data, optional data transformations, and maintain data integrity and security throughout the process. So this requirement I will be using the Python. The data transfer process to Azure. These are these some steps we are showing uploading CSV to blob storage, ensure data transfer, transfer data to SQL, handling large volume data, schedule and automate transfer, ensure data integrity, apply optional transformation, maintain data security. These are the steps I'm using Python to by using the scripts. So my user story is I want to automate the process of transferring CSV data from Azure Blob Storage to an Azure SQL database using Azure Data Factory so that I can ensure timely and accurate data availability for analysis. Automating CSV data transfer to Azure S3 database. Lack of integration hinders seamless data flow. Data value management under it is a inefficiency with large data sets. Security concerns that threatens data integrity during transfer. Transformation needs complicates data processing requirements. Scheduling issues fits timely data availability. And my next slide is about demo objective. The objective of this demo is to showcase the end-to-end data transfer process from CSV file stored in Azure Blob Storage to an Azure SQL database using Azure Data Factory. The demonstration will be highlight how the integration between Azure Blob Storage and Azure SQL database can be streamlined and scheduled with EDF pipelines, ensuring data transformations integrity and security throughout the process. This process will be used in a Python by the Python script, and these are the steps: Azure data transfer process, Azure blob storage, data transformations, Azure data factory, Azure SQL database. So I given a prompt. The process of uploading CSV file to Azure blob storage and seamlessly transferring the data into an Azure SQL database using Azure Data Factory, ensuring efficient data processing and integration for analysis and reporting with the Python script. Azure data transfer process. These are the three steps: Azure SQL database, Azure Data Factory, Azure blob storage. Task to perform the stars. These are the tasks. Prepare Azure Blob Storage, upload CSV data to Azure Blob Storage, create an Azure Data Factory, इसमें create link service in ADF for block storage and SQL database, create database in ADF for block storage and SQL database, build a data pipeline in ADF, configure data flow, copy activity in ADF pipeline, schedule pipeline execution in ADF, monitor pipeline execution and handle errors, verify data in Azure SQL database. This stop will be performing Python script by the automation. These are the some screenshot practiced. These are the queries I run and these results are showing here. This is my coach page. You can follow him on LinkedIn also and go coach websites. Now I'm performing this all the comments in the Python scripts. So now I upload my Visual Code. These are the Python script which I given here. Now I run my first query to install necessary package. And all the packages are showing here. So I given run my first query. So my first query runs successfully. As you see here, I run my second query. As my second query is running to define the resource group to, create a resource group in the ADF. Here you see my resource group is created successfully. Now I run my second query to create a storage account and the container names. Here are the first. Now I run my second query to create storage account. So creating a storage account, my storage account is a storage 02-1994. It's creating. So my second query is done successfully. In this query, creating storage account, creating container, uploading AMP data in the block storage, and here you see CSV file upload successful. I run my next query. So I am now my next query. This is completed. Now I run my next query, create data factory. Yes, this is creating data factory. Now I run my next query, set up ADF resources. This is creating link services. It's run successfully. I run the pipeline. Yes, we are creating running ADF pipeline. And its initial running ID. This is running ID. Now we check this all is created in the Microsoft Azure. See here is my resource group is created. In that, as you check the ADF data factory, my SQL server, my storage account, and my RabbitDB SQL service created. So now I run successfully um, Python Python script in the so I running successfully. It's done, sir. Can I stop recording? It's done.